Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Barcelona. The weather is mild.
Did you know Parkway was originally planned as a garden city with 60 custom designed homes? Did you know La Boqueria has been delighting locals and visitors for over 10 years? Pets are welcome. Sagrada Familia was designed so that a single instrument could travel up to 3 kilometers. Barcelona has a Roman history, most of that's in the Gothic quarter. And also, look at this. Did you know that the beaches didn't exist? Seen this view? We're gonna go grab a drink, yeah?
Okay, as long as it's here.
Okay. So, the street that we can see from here is called Rambla Catalonia.
Stop!
This time tomorrow, I'll be in despair. This time tomorrow, I'll be in despair. I cried all night, I cried all day. This time tomorrow, I'll be in despair. Life has a mission, I don't want to see you in pain.
So what's the plan?
Let's play it by ear. Yeah?
Did you know Gaudi, streets of Barcelona, he was hit by a tram, that's how he fell to his death.
A tram.